Agnihotra Shodhitam. If your eyes are not cleaned, if your eyes are having the white matter coming out, and if your nose is having the phlegm, the nose is having any phlegm or sputum, and you are highly prone for corona. You become an attractor of corona, magnetism. That's why keep your eyes clean. Number one, first, keep your eyes clean. Keep your nose clean. Every day if required. And keep, so the vaporizer oil, and so take if required, and little bit of vapor of essential oil, vaporizer oil, inhale. But keep your trachea clean. Keep your upper respiratory system clean. And keep your inner respiratory system clean. And keep your eyes clean. And there should not be any white deposit in your eyes, nor in the nose or in the stomach. Any white deposit called kapha and called white deposit called a phlegm or a sputum or anything that is when the coronavirus and virus multiplies enormously. Any book of virology you read, fundamental virology you read, you will find these things. We are forgetting the fundamental education in the virology, especially the respiratory or severe acute respiratory syndrome virology. When you read, the first thing in Ayurveda or in anything told is, and your eyes, wash your eyes, blink your eyes, keep your eye drops. So simple eye drops like terminalia cebula, you boil in the water, collect the vapor and put those drops in your eyes. You are in India, you will get an Ayurveda drop. These are the best eye drops, isotine, and keep your eyes clean. Or you prepare your own eye drops. Very, very important. You prepare your own eye drops. Simple way of preparing safe eye drops, I told you. Or one onion and one lemon and 30 grams ginger, 15 grams enough. 15 gram ginger, Indian ginger. If it is abroad, 30 gram ginger, because your ginger bean is very low. In India, the ginger has a very high ginger bean, 15 grams. If it is abroad, and the big ginger piece is 30 grams. Ginger, lemon, onion, and squeeze them and put them in the grinder, low RPM grinder, or make it, squeeze the juice. And keep one drop, just one. It burns your eye like anything. I tell you, let me tell you, your eyesight will not be affected. I can 100% tell you. But your eye, it burns like anything. It burns. Only one drop in this eye. Maximum 2 drops. That's all. It clears your eyes completely. Any infection, it helps in getting over that infection. Or in the market in India, you will get isotine. It is non-burning. It doesn't burn. You can even prepare. So, isotine is a mixture of many herbs. Distillate is collected. That's why it doesn't burn. Distillate doesn't burn much, but directly the juice burns. Onion and lemon. When you are cutting onion itself, eyes burn. Indian onion and Indian lemon are. So if your onion is not very strong like an Indian onion, use 2 onions. Understand? It is The amount of quercetin on onion is a matters. The amount of quercetin in onion, it matters. The amount of ginger bean in onion, it matters. And use 2 teaspoons, you use, say this is, so in the juice, in order not to burn, little bit control, use pure honey equal. 3 times honey you use. Whatever the juice you get, suppose the 3 together, you will get 1 teaspoon. Or, so say you will get 30 ml of juice you will get. And use 90 ml of a raw honey, pure honey, filtered raw honey of highest quality, not wild honey only, multiflora honey only, multipollen honey only, not single pollen honey. And this is how you prepare. Once again I explain it to you. 1 onion and 1 lemon and ginger, 15-gram ginger, and then so first make them into juice, squeeze them, put it in the grinder. Your ordinary grinder is not good, and low RPM grinder or with a hand pounding, you do with the hand pounding, you squeeze it, you get the juice. Don't put it in high RPM juicer, don't keep it in the high RPM juicer, don't use high pressure, use low pressure, raw onion and raw lemon and raw ginger, and pound them with the hand, make them a paste, and squeeze that paste and get that juice. Whatever you get, doesn't matter, and that much juice is enough. Don't try to extract further pressing it, forget about it, and whatever juice you will get that juice. So you will get 3 times to that juice, add honey, pure wild honey, raw honey, multiflora honey, 3 times. If you are getting 30 ml means add 90 ml of honey to it, and that drop you keep in your eye, and it cleanses your eye completely. So morning 1 drop, morning 2 drops, evening 2 drops, more than enough. But that eye drop burns otherwise. So you will get a liquid, you will get a herb called another one. Second remedy I am giving you. The same juice you can keep in the nose also. The same juice you can keep in the nose also. It goes into the throat, swallow it. Nothing happened. It helps in clearing the eye and also helps clearing in your nose. Doesn't damage. Honey is to balance the pH, as I told you. Very, very important adding the honey. Understand? Next is called Terminalia chebula. Terminalia chebula, and is called. So Terminalia chebula, bring it, and you have to have a distillation. You have to collect only, boil it, putting in the water. It is very, very strong, and if you drink this directly, the water in the mouth, your mouth inside skin will go away. It will eat away. Understand? The Terminalia chebula is very, very powerful. So you have to boil it and collect only vapor. Distillation, you need to have a distillation column. And then in the distillation column, you collect the vapor. Vapor gets collected and condensation happens. That condensation leads to vapor formation, and that condensation leads to the water, which is called hydrolysate. So this water is a good eye drop, and keep this, use it as a eye drop, because somewhere you are in the West or wherever you are in the world, you can do this. So first one everyone can do. The second one, this is non-burning, like isotine. it won't burn, the distillate. Don't use raw, use only distillate. But for that you need to have distillation column separation mechanism. If you don't have, the first one, but that drop burns. If you are in India, you can buy Isotine drops. It is a brand available, but Isotine, ordinary Isotine, Isotine Plus. The brand is Isotine Plus. It's quite good brand. But Isotine Plus also, in some cases, in extreme cases, 1 in 100, so you may develop, if your eyes are becoming red, or if you have any white thing is forming, don't use Isotine Plus. Very rare indeed. 1 in 100 or 1 in 1000 it will happen. Otherwise it won't happen. Otherwise they are the safest, they are the best. Among all the things I recommend Isotine Plus. What is available in the market, or you prepare your own eye drop. In the 3 ways you can use it to protect. Why am I telling you? Your eyes are also very, very important carriers of the virus. The white formation happening here means, and your lungs are not clear. Your respiratory system is not clear, understand? And that's why you need to clean your nose. And nose, so the same juice, not Isotine, you can't keep it in the nose. So nose is salt water. If your nose is not clear, 1 teaspoon of and 1 teaspoon of salt water in 1 liter water, 1 teaspoon of the salt, and so keep the water from this nostril, swallow it, or take it out from the other nostril and keep this, because everyone is not trained to keep the water from here taking it out. So lie down like this, keep the salt water from this nostril, it comes to the throat, and keep this salt water from this nostril, it gets collected in the throat, swallow it. If you can't take it out, no problem, and nothing happens. So drink salt water to the nose and keep about 10 ml from this, 10 ml from this. In the lie down like this, keep. So your nostrils and your upper throat gets cleansed completely. Upper throat gets completely cleansed. In fact, ordinary native throat doesn't clean, but in this throat, like gargling with the salt water, and when you keep the salt water from this, it gets completely, swallow it, your throat gets cleansed. Very, very, very important. So these are the practices which are helpful. And to clear the lungs, suppose it forms the same vaporizer oil, take the vapor. It clears your lungs completely. It clears your lungs. Or mild one, in abroad you will get olivas oil. Don't go for strong oils like menthol, you should never go for menthol. Olivas oil. Olivas oil is, in India everyone will get menthol like Amrutanjan and bombs, they are called tiger bomb, Amrutanjan, etc. They are not good. They choke, they cool down very quickly. You should not do that, that's a danger. So that's why olivas oil or the vaporizer oil which I used, which the formula I have given, and take little bit of vapor if you have congestion inside the lungs. Not only that, the drink, herbal drink, what you drink, in that put 1 drop of olivas oil or 1 drop of oil of oregano, 1 drop of oil of or vaporizer oil. Every day I add in my drink, herbal drink, 3 to 5 drops. And it clears inside the lungs also, it clears, because it goes into the bloodstream, it clears. Keep your lungs clean, keep your inner respiratory system, outer respiratory system means your upper nose, your entire nostrils down to the throat, and then inside the lungs and your eyes clean. Nothing will affect you. No virus will come to you. If you only take care of this is a very important. Inside home also always burn oil. Always burn the vaporizer oil, and which I have given you. Whatever the oil is available with you, keep burning 24/7, it protects you. Even in the workplace you have to work, burn that oil. over there and drink and using a herbal tea, tulsi ginger tea, and so with this. But don't use much honey. Honey is, and sometimes attracts the bacteria also. Very dangerous. So that's why too much of honey is not good. Honey has to be fine, balanced, and honey has to be taken always with the lemon. So don't take it alone. Acid alkali balance. Of course, honey is also acidic, there is no doubt. But it slows down. It absorbs the acidity of the lemon. And as an antioxidant, citric acid acts as an antioxidant. So these precautions if you take, because people are not so caring about clearing these roots of eyes, etc. That's why in yoga, every time you do this, keep your eyes closed, do yoga at the end of relaxation. Whenever you keep your eyes long, means your eye is getting purified, the collection happens. That's why whenever you get up, the first thing you are supposed to do is this, and look inside and clearing roots of the eyes, and then clearing the roots of eyes, then only you are supposed to open the eyes. This is the tradition. So follow the tradition, it helps you.